So I had a big focus on preventative type offerings. The world of healthcare doesn't, in the U.S. economic incentives around healthcare, doesn't really lend itself towards prevention. It's more sick care than preventative care. And that's costly and expensive, but there's just not a lot of reimbursement structures around doing prevention and maintenance of health in this country, or at least not 5 years ago when we were tackling it a little bit more ambitiously. So that was my first lesson. Was we literally cycled through 20 different ideas around health, prevention, healthy living, healthy lifestyles. Probably a little more appropriate now in a world of COVID and more remote and different kind of payer landscape structures that have cropped up in that time frame. But as we got on this exploration process, prevention was not top of mind at a reimbursement economic incentive level. And I think the next consideration around finding the right idea is know your audience. Who are you selling to? Because healthcare, yes, it's almost 20% of the U.S. GDP. It's huge. It's massive. And, as a startup entrepreneur, TAM, total addressable market, and you can go to the top-down number. Like, if I get 1% of Americans and, 1% of the world, but it quickly subdivides and segments into, who's paying for that? Is it the insurance companies? Is it the employers? Is it the hospital system? Is it the pharmaceutical companies? And you quickly start segmenting into the world of healthcare is not, a $1 trillion industry. It's $1,000 billion industries, and knowing your audience on that front.